Parental alienation. Are Cafcass and the courts impotent or inept at managing it? And many people have contacted me over the last couple of months asking for my views on parental alienation within the family courts. And I do feel that it's time to now share my thoughts and observations on it. For those who don't know me or may not have seen my blogs before, my name is Kedge. I'm the director of the McKenzie Friend UK network. I've been a McKenzie Friend since 2012 and I'm a retired police chief inspector. And with all my blogs, my views and opinions are my own. Now, one of the most empowering things about being a McKenzie Friend layperson, I'm not a legal entity, is that for years I've been able to quietly observe the family court system and the processes as an outsider. I'm not part of the establishment. So because of that, I represent the eyes and ears of tens of thousands of people going through the process, and I'm in a privileged position in that I can report back on what I see and personally hear. See, the court system itself has for decades, in my mind, been a closed, self-serving system that lacks openness and transparency. Perhaps now more than ever, for the first time, people like myself can explain it from the perspective of the public. To be able to inform you, to lift the veil of secrecy, and to hopefully save you tens of thousands of pounds of completely unnecessary legal fees. So in a series of video blogs, I'm going to be talking to you about parental alienation and everything that I have observed in relation to it since 2012. In terms of my blogs, I'm not just going to rely on my years of experience as a McKenzie Friend and being the director of the McKenzie Friend UK network. I'm also going to bring in all my skills as a retired police chief inspector. Someone with a critical and analytical mindset. Someone who understands public and child protection. Someone who actually understands the legal establishment. And someone who spent their career protecting others and standing up for the law and for what is right. So I'm going to be doing a number of blogs on parental alienation because it's a complex subject and it's not one that I can just cover in one long blog. I'll be breaking it down into bite-sized chunks. I'll be examining the extent of parental alienation from my observations. I'll be examining whether Cafcass and the courts are impotent in dealing with it. What I mean by that is whether they have the tools or powers to manage it or they don't. Are they powerless and ineffective? I'll be asking whether Cafcass and the courts may be inept or incompetent in dealing with parental alienation. For example, they do have the means and the tools to effectively manage it, but they're just not applying those tools effectively. I'm going to talk about the contribution of solicitors and lawyers. Do they actually care about the children who are caught in the middle of conflict, from my experience and from what I've seen? Do lawyers themselves actually cause significant amounts of conflict and acrimony and add to parental alienation? I'm looking forward to talking about that, that's for sure. Finally, I would welcome your support and help. If there's any aspect of parental alienation that you'd like me to cover, then please contact me via the website, which is www.McKenzieFriendUK.net, and let me know, and I'll be happy to include your thoughts into my blogs. So if I can assist with any aspect of your family court case, then please don't hesitate to get in contact, and I hopefully you will enjoy my blogs and find them interesting and informative. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.